Are you or someone you love feeling tired, sluggish, or just not as sharp as before? What if the secret to beating aging and boosting energy is as simple as adding these 5 fruits to your daily diet? Stick around, because number 3 is something you'd never expect. These fruits aren't just tasty. They're packed with powerful nutrients that protect your brain, support your joints, and supercharge your energy like nothing else. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which fruits to grab and how they fight the signs of aging naturally. Let's start with the ultimate brain booster, a fruit packed with antioxidants that fight memory loss and keep your mind sharp as you age. Imagine this: your brain aging slower, sharper thinking, better focus, all from something as simple as snacking. Meet Linda. She's 68 years old, retired, and loves spending time with her grandkids. But recently, Linda noticed she was forgetting small things, like where she put her keys or the names of people she just met. It scared her because she wanted to stay mentally sharp and independent. Then Linda discovered blueberries, the powerhouse fruit known for its brain-boosting magic. Blueberries are loaded with antioxidants called flavonoids. These tiny warriors go straight to your brain and protect it from damage caused by free radicals. Think of free radicals like little villains that speed up aging and mess with your brain cells. But here's the exciting part. Those flavonoids don't just protect your brain, they actually improve communication between brain cells. That means better memory, quicker thinking, and sharper focus. Studies show that people who eat blueberries regularly can slow down cognitive decline. Some research even suggests it can delay the early signs of Alzheimer's and dementia. Imagine that, just by eating a handful of these juicy berries, you're giving your brain real armor against aging. Linda started adding blueberries to her morning oatmeal and smoothies every day. Within weeks, she noticed she was remembering names better, staying focused longer during conversations, and even felt more confident tackling puzzles and games she used to love. And the best part? Blueberries are easy to add to your diet. Fresh or frozen, they're versatile, delicious, and don't require complicated prep. Toss them in yogurt, sprinkle them on cereal, or just eat them by the handful as a snack. If you're worried about brain aging or memory loss, blueberries should be your go-to fruit. They're natural, tasty, and backed by solid science. So, next time you're at the store, grab a pack of blueberries. Think about how just one simple fruit can help you protect your mind and stay sharp for years to come. Now, if you thought keeping your brain sharp was amazing, wait till you hear about the next fruit, the ultimate joint protector. Because what good is a sharp mind if your body's holding you back with aches and stiffness? Imagine waking up without that nagging joint pain, moving freely, and feeling years younger. This fruit is packed with powerful natural anti-inflammatory compounds that do exactly that: calm inflammation, reduce swelling, and protect your joints from damage. Meet Robert, a 72-year-old who loved hiking, but had started avoiding his favorite trails because his knees and hips hurt so much. He felt stuck and frustrated until he discovered cherries. Yes, cherries. These vibrant little fruits are loaded with antioxidants called anthocyanins, which work like nature's painkillers. They reduce the inflammation that causes joint pain, stiffness, and swelling. Studies show that people who eat cherries regularly experience less joint discomfort and improved mobility. Some even report fewer flare-ups of arthritis symptoms. Robert started adding a handful of fresh or frozen cherries to his diet every day, blended into smoothies or eaten as a snack. Within just a few weeks, he noticed his joints felt less stiff, and he could enjoy walking and hiking again without that constant ache holding him back. The beauty of cherries? They're easy, delicious, and natural. No side effects like some medications, just pure relief straight from nature. So if joint pain is slowing you down, cherries might be your new best friend. They help you move easier, feel more comfortable, and enjoy the activities you love, no matter your age. Now let's get to the energy explosion every senior needs. The fruit that floods your body with natural, steady energy. No jitters, no crashes, just pure, lasting fuel. Meet Sarah. She's 70, full of life, loves gardening and volunteering. But recently she hit a wall. Every morning felt like a struggle. She'd wake up tired, and by noon, her energy was gone. Coffee gave her a quick jolt but left her shaky and anxious later. Vitamins didn't help much. She felt stuck in a cycle of exhaustion. Then one day, a friend told her about bananas, the simple, everyday fruit that changed everything. Bananas are a perfect energy package. They contain 3 natural sugars, glucose, fructose, and sucrose, that give your body a quick energy kick and then sustain it over time. Unlike processed sugar or energy drinks that spike your blood sugar and leave you crashing, bananas provide a smooth, steady energy release. But there's more. Bananas are loaded with vitamin B6, which plays a key role in turning the food you eat into fuel your body can use immediately. Without enough B6, your energy production can slow down, leaving you feeling drained. Plus, bananas are a fantastic source of potassium. This mineral helps your muscles contract properly and keeps your nerves firing efficiently. That means less muscle fatigue and better overall physical performance, even as you age. Sarah started eating a banana every morning with her breakfast, sometimes sliced over oatmeal, other times blended into a smoothie. Within just a week, she noticed her mornings felt easier. She could stay active longer in the day without crashing or needing extra caffeine. Her mood improved, and she felt ready to take on her favorite activities again. What's incredible is that bananas are so versatile and easy to add to any meal or snack. No complicated prep, no special diet needed. Just nature's perfect energy booster in a peel. So if you're struggling with low energy or tired of those caffeine crashes, give bananas a try. It's a natural, delicious way to fuel your body and fight aging fatigue. And here's a bonus. Bananas also contain antioxidants and other nutrients that support heart health and digestion, meaning the benefits go way beyond just energy. Next, let's talk about a fruit that's like a secret weapon against aging skin, helping you fight dryness, wrinkles, and dullness from deep inside your body. Meet Grace. At 74, she had tried every expensive cream and serum out there. Some worked a little, but none gave her the glow she wanted. She felt frustrated looking in the mirror, noticing fine lines creeping in and her skin losing that youthful bounce. Then Grace discovered pomegranates, and everything changed. Pomegranates are packed with powerful antioxidants called polyphenol. Think of these as tiny warriors that battle free radicals, the invisible damage-causing molecules that break down collagen and elastin, the 2 key proteins that keep your skin firm, smooth, and elastic. Free radicals come from stress, pollution, and even normal aging. Over time, they cause your skin to sag and wrinkle. But polyphenol neutralize these free radicals, protecting your skin structure and slowing down the aging process naturally. But there's more. Pomegranates don't just protect, they also hydrate. They improve blood flow and stimulate skin cell regeneration. This means your skin can repair itself faster and stay moisturized from the inside out, giving you that plump, dewy look everyone envies. Scientific studies back this up. People who consume pomegranate regularly see noticeable improvements in skin elasticity, hydration, and reduced redness. Plus, the anti-inflammatory effects calm irritation and help with conditions like rosacea and eczema. Grace started adding fresh pomegranate seeds to her morning yogurt and tossing them into her salads. Sometimes she'd sip on fresh pomegranate juice. Within a few weeks, she felt a difference. Her skin looked smoother, softer, and brighter. Friends kept asking what her secret was. She just smiled and said, "It's all in the seeds." And it's not just her skin benefiting. Pomegranates support heart health by reducing blood pressure and inflammation. Plus, they aid digestion and even boost immunity. So it's a win-win for your whole body. What makes pomegranates even better? They're delicious, easy to add to any meal, and natural. No harsh chemicals or pricey treatments needed. If glowing, youthful skin is your goal, pomegranates deserve a spot on your shopping list. Fresh, juiced, or sprinkled, any way you enjoy them, they'll help your skin fight back against time. Finally, let's dive into the fruit that does double duty, keeping your bones strong while boosting your energy, so you can stay active and vibrant no matter your age. Meet Robert, 72, an avid walker and grandfather who loves playing with his grandkids. But lately, he'd been feeling stiffness in his joints and low energy that slowed him down. His doctor warned him to watch his bone health carefully. That's when Robert added oranges to his daily routine, and everything shifted. Oranges are more than just a sweet, juicy treat. They're loaded with vitamin C, a superstar nutrient that's essential for collagen production, not just for your skin, but for your bones, tendons, and cartilage too. Collagen keeps these tissues strong and flexible, reducing your risk of fractures and joint pain. But oranges don't stop there. They're also packed with potassium, which helps balance minerals in your body to support bone density and muscle function. Plus, potassium helps reduce calcium loss in urine, which means more calcium stays where it belongs, strengthening your bones. What about energy? Oranges provide natural sugars for a quick energy boost, but also contain fiber, which slows sugar absorption, giving you lasting fuel without crashes. They also have folate and B vitamins, which help your body convert food into energy efficiently. Robert began eating a fresh orange every morning, sometimes as a snack, other times blended into smoothies. Within weeks, he noticed less joint stiffness and more energy to keep up with his grandkids. His doctor even said his bone health markers improved. Oranges are super versatile, easy to find, and delicious. You can peel and eat them fresh, add slices to salads, or squeeze fresh juice for a refreshing drink. Remember, strong bones and steady energy are key to staying independent and active as you age. Adding oranges is a simple, natural way to support both. Conclusion. There you have it, the top 5 fruits every senior should be eating to fight aging and stay energized. From boosting brain power and protecting joints to glowing skin and strong bones, these fruits do it all. The best part? They're easy to find, delicious, and packed with benefits that you'll feel day after day. Ready to take control of your health and age on your terms? Start adding these fruits to your meals and snacks today. Which fruit are you most excited to try? Or maybe you already eat some. Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips that help you live healthier and stronger every day.